Turn around. One more.
Oh, shit, okay.
On ball weak, give it load off.
That's my triple. Where's my over?
I just have two passions that have always been split across in my lifetime.
Hotel.
Hotel, open field.
Hotel blinking.
Hotel.
I was a professional video gamer since I was 15 years old.
His guest tonight is a professional gamer and one of the contestants on the TBS series King of the Nerds. His name is Celeste Anderson!
But at the same time, I wanted to travel and I wanted to be outside all the time. So I looked up schools specifically that offered tourism, but also mixed it with business. And then I wanted to make sure it had co-op. I came to the campus before I actually made the decision, and then I fell in love with the campus.
So I just want to say I'm very proud to be a Niagara College alumni. And anyone who wants to get into hospitality and tourism, you need to come to this school. This is the mecca of hospitality school culture in Ontario. I might even argue and say Canada.
My name is Michelle Corner, and I'm the Employee Experience and Communications Coordinator at Blue Mountain Resort. We need to hire students. This is important. These are the people who are going to carry on our hospitality business. It's very overwhelming deciding what are you going to do for the rest of your life, number one, for the graduates, and then the co-op students who are, first year, getting through it, just trying to make it happen, and then deciding, oh yeah, what am I going to do for my co-op, my work term? I always say pick somewhere where you're going to have fun. Yes, you're going to learn lots. That's also very important, and you got to get paid. You got to pay your tuition. I get that. But it's also about, like I said, the social experience.
It was incredible that Blue Mountain always made me feel like I had something to do outside of work too, right? I felt really involved, and I worked with a bunch of great people.
We've grown astronomically, especially with this new company, Altera Mountain Company. This summer we opened a new attraction called Canopy Climb. So it's like a real-life, interactive tree climbing experience with trampolines up in the air and netting, and it's a lot of fun.
I knew that they were implementing a strategy to build their adventure tourism. That's where I got attracted to doing that, because I love outdoor tourism, I love adventure tourism, so that I knew Blue Mountain already had, and there isn't another place that I know of that does it well in Ontario other than Blue Mountain. It's always about hospitality, right? It's about their needs and their wants, because they're coming to you their first time ever not having done this, and it's a little bit of a risk, and so they're coming at you with excitedness, and I think that motivates me, and so the first thing I want to do is grab their energy.
If I could shed light on those who are a little bit foreign to hospitality, it is not just lodging, like housekeeping, front desk. We have like 40 different departments on resort. There's so much to explore and dive into, and that's what I say to students is, it may look like this right now, but down the line you could get into this, you could get into that, and I think that's important for students to understand.
You have to do co-op because you can learn so much theoretically, but it isn't until you have hands-on experience that you actually develop those skills and that knowledge and actually apply it.